What you doing?
Give me a late night snack.
A late night snack? You got the whole damn kitchen, son. What's going on?
I was hungry.
You hungry and you want to eat all the food from everybody. Go lay your ass down.
Can I have one?
Hell no, you can't get one. Got the whole damn kitchen in your hand. Talking about late night snack.